I'd say we're getting close. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, good. You just stop for a sec. Are you tired? No? So when you get 2 more years on your life, come back and I'll put you to work. To work. Because my son starts his apprenticeship at 9 years old. So guess what you just did for me? You did work, right? So should you get paid for work? You're right, you should get paid for work. Now, 1,000 years ago, there's not a lot of kings, are there? No? Not a lot of blacksmiths, is there? No. No? Lots of laborers? Yes, lots of laborers. The laborers get paid. So I'm going to pay you, okay? Because you're a laborer for me. Fair enough? Do you want your payment, sir? There's your payment for your work. And anybody else want to go?
Wanna try?